Okay, now welcome back everyone to our second video. For the second video, teacher will teach all of you on the Grammar Galaxy 2. So please be well prepared for our class. Okay, now everyone, we are on our Grammar Galaxy 2, which is in the Unit 2, right? Okay, so in the Unit 2, there are some grammar items that you have already studied, such as some, any, a lot of, much, and many, right? Okay, so everyone, today we are going to review all of this again, because I think that might be some of you maybe forgot about the lesson. So everyone, today we are going to work on the review 1 and review 2. For the review 1, it will be about some, any. So we know that we use some and any with the plural count noun and plural non-count noun, right? Okay, that's good. So hope you still remember, and now let's take a look on the whiteboard together. It is about number 1, review some, any. So we know some and any used with count nouns and non-count nouns for the plural noun, right? Okay, so everyone, when we talk about count nouns, we refer to the the nouns that you can count, right? Okay, so for example, like the marker, the eraser, what else? Phone, fan, TV, or light are what we call count noun, right? And for non-count noun, such as water, what else? Sky, wind, sugar, salt, rice, all of these are what we call non-count noun. Okay, everyone. Now let's take a look on our whiteboard together in review 1. So here I show you on the count nouns and non-count nouns. So in count nouns, it has some, in positive form. So in positive form, for using with plural count nouns, you can use with some, right? Okay, for example, on the whiteboard together, let's see. And now let's find the count noun together, Okay, so for count nouns, the noun that you can count, such as the marker, right? Okay, so for example, like in this, I have some markers. Okay, so as what you can see, I have some markers. Marker is what we call count noun. So everyone, so that's why we're gonna use with the word some in the positive form. I have some markers. And how about use with non-count noun? Okay, as we know that non-count noun are the noun that you actually cannot count, right? Okay, so for example, like sugar. So you can say I have some sugar. I have some sugar. So sugar in here, we don't need to add s, right? Because it is the non-count noun. Okay, so I have some sugar. Okay, and what about the word any? We use any only in the negative and question, right? Okay, so as we know that any both used in count nouns and non-count noun, but any are using in the in the negative form and question form. For example, I don't have any friends. Okay, so friend is the count noun, right? Okay, because as we know that the word any can both use in count noun and non-count noun, but it is in the negative form. I don't have any friends. Okay, see the word don't? So don't here actually shows about the negative form, right? Okay, and now let's move on, everyone. If I want to use it with non-count noun, for example, like I don't have any sugar. Okay, I don't have any rice to eat. Okay, and how about question form? How can you make the question form, everyone? Very good. So to make the question form, you just sometimes need the word, just like, is there any cheese? Is there any cheese is the question form. And cheese here is the non-count noun. Non-count noun. So we use the word any in this sentence with the non-count noun. Is there any choice? Okay. For example, like if you don't want to use with a non-count noun, but you want to use it with count noun. Okay. So you can say, are there any students in class? Okay. Students are the count noun. Very good. Okay, everyone. Now let's move on to the review 2. Okay, so in our review 2, which is about a lot of, many, and much. Okay, we know that we use a lot of, many, and much to talk about the quantity of something, right? Oh, sorry. Okay, let's continue. So I also divide it into this one, like we have count nouns, non-count nouns, right? So for the positive form, count noun, you can use it with many or a lot of. For example, I have many friends. I have many friends. Okay, I have many friends. Okay, so the quantity of your friends may be around 5, 6, or more than that. Okay, so in the case that you don't want to tell about the number of your friends, so you can use with many. Okay, I have many friends, or you can say I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of friends. Okay, and how about the word a lot of in non-count nouns? Okay, so a lot of can actually use in the non-count noun, but you cannot use the word many in non-count noun. Okay, so remember everyone, many can use it in the count noun only, right? Okay, but for the word a lot of, you can use it with count noun, also use it with non-count noun. Okay, for example, like I have a lot of salt in my soup. Okay, now let's move on to the negative form. Okay, for negative form, what you can use with count nouns is the word many and the word a lot of. Okay, you can say I don't have many friends, I don't have a lot of friends. Okay, and how about negative form in non-count noun? Yes, that you want to use with non-count nouns in the negative form. So they actually has the word much and a lot of. Okay, for example, like I don't have much time. Yeah, time you cannot count time, right? So time also include it as the non-count noun as well. I don't have much time. I don't have much water in my bowl. Okay, now everyone, let's move on to the usage in the question form. Okay, for question form, you can actually use it with many in count nouns. Okay, for example, like how many students in the class? How many students in the class? Yeah, how many people are there in your family? Okay, so this is about the word many that can use it with question form in with count noun, right? Okay, now what you actually can use in non-count noun is the word much. Yeah, much. For example, like if you talk about money, as we know that money is also included as the non-count noun, right? Okay, you can say how much money did you get? How much money did you get? Or how much money will you pay for me? Okay. All right, everyone. This is about our review section regarding to our grammar item on some, any, a lot of, many, and much. And I think in our book there are many exercises for all of you to practice, right? Okay, so actually you can go to page 14 and page 15 on your student book, so you will have more exercise to practice. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks everyone, and moreover, I want all of you to create some sentence and also comment down below this video. Okay, hope to see your comments. Thanks everyone. This is the end of our online class. Have a nice weekend. See you on Monday.